Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete your Everyplate account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.everyplate.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Everyplate. So all you need to do now is simply tap on your account. So once you are here, simply tap on settings and you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So simply tap on check out our FAQ, and after doing this, tap on contact us. Now you will be in this kind of interface, so simply scroll down and tap on ask any question. Now you will get a virtual assistant on your screen, so simply type in your problem like delete my account. So once you have typed this, you will get a query from your virtual assistant about your cancellation subscription or your cancellation of account. So simply tap on delete account data, and after you do this, now you have to give them a reason what kind of data you want to delete. So simply tap on delete my personal information, and then you need to tap on talk to agent. So after doing this, you will need to talk with the agent to simply delete your account and delete all your data from your account. So now you will be able to delete your Everyplate account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.